And welcome to another video of App Tester Titan, where we show you different apps for your use. So, let us begin.
Hi everyone, well, another video, and this time I want you to be fitter. I want you to be better. I want you to be stronger. So why don't you go ahead and check this video out? I've got different apps that will help you become fit. It will give you a routine, what you need to do, how you need to lose your weight, and how you can work out. You don't need a gym, you don't need barbells, you might just need a few other things. Check it out, these apps are of good use to you. So go ahead and see my video. And whatever you think, do comment below.
So I finally got my phone out and I decided to search for the best apps that were available for fitness. And to be honest, I wasn't too happy. The list I found out wasn't good enough. But I still decided, okay, I'll search for the best apps among that list. And the first one I found was MyFitness. This is a good app. The MyFitnessPal is actually a good app because it's helping you look into your meals, talk about calorie, because that is the major contributor when it comes to losing fats and building muscle. You should know what your calories are, how much you intake. As far as the rating was, it was 4.5, which was great, and the amount of downloads that it had, just amazing. And people had some very fine reviews about this app. So I decided, okay, I'll go ahead and install it, and I did. So I clicked on the installation button. Now I'll be very clear with you. I put this first because in my list, this was last. So I put 3 videos and MyFitnessPal is at number 3. So, moving on, once this was installed, I opened this app. And I actually like the UI. When we talk about apps, that's the most important thing. So it has a good UI. I decided, okay, I'll log myself into it, and once I clicked, I got myself logged in. It had a few questions, and according to those questions, it decided to make a plan for me. I could not choose more than 3 options here, as you can see, and that's okay. We don't need more than 3 options. So after all these questions that came into place, I chose them, I answered them according to the best possible way. I'm trying to answer it as if I'm a beginner and someone who needs to lose weight. Anyways, choosing the answers that majority chose, I went to Reddit and I said, okay, let's see what people answered. And on my Google search, I even went to Quora, and people had different answers. Now anyways, after doing that, I decided, okay, I'll go ahead, I'll choose a country, I'll put my age in, I'll put my height in, and then I'll put my weight as well. Well, it's not exactly my weight, but still, I put something around about that. So, moving forward, I decided that I wanted a goal. I just said, okay, minus 10 kgs would be 65 because I chose 75, and I did that. After clicking next, my account was created. Now, what it did was, with all those questions that it asked, my weight and everything, it jotted down my plan. So it said, this is what your plan is. This is how many calories you must intake. Of course, this is not entirely a free app, but still, in the free version or the freeware, it has majority of the available ones, options that is. Next app, of course, this is a good app as well, which is called Strava. The reason I like this app is it is not entirely about fitness. It's not 100% about fitness. It is more about running, jogging, or performing an activity, I would say. So you choose your activity, what you want to do, and as long as you look at the images that I'm sharing here, it's self-explanatory that what this app is. So in this app, what you do is you choose what you want to do, which activity you want to do, and that's how it monitors you. 4.3 rating, not bad. The amount of downloads it had, so it was good. Recent reviews were not good though, that's sad, but when I downloaded the app and installed it, I saw that this was a good app. Honestly speaking, I actually like this app, and I put this on number 2 because I feel majority of us, we don't actually work out. Like, we don't go out, we don't grab big barbells, we don't start putting our muscle into it. We're more like, let's walk, let's jog, let's hike. That's what we want to do, and this is why this is a good app. Now the next thing I did was I registered myself. As soon as I registered myself, it asked for my age, and I decided, okay, why don't I choose a random number of my age? Let's say, what would be the closest to my age be? So I did that. I chose my age around 30, and I said, okay, sure, I'm gonna do that. Put a date of birth in, and of course male. I'm not gonna choose female. So it asked me for my interest, so run, walk, jog, and this is what this app is, these questions I was asking us, and of course it wants to motivate you. Anyways, moving forward, I decided to log myself in, and it said it will record my activity. Oh, that's another one thing that actually I liked about this app is that it records onto Google as well. So your details are also available on your cloud, and you can actually have your fitness watches or whatever fitness bands you wear. That will also it will also monitor that as well. So as you can see, this is a very complete app when it comes to these activities. You can find a good trail for yourself as well. You can record your walk, you can record your trail, as you say. It will show your activities or different goals to motivate you, like these challenges that I saw, which is great. I mean, that's what you want to do. If you are a fitness, I would say, freak, these things are for you, exactly for you. But anyways, moving on to my next app from here, I'll be very honest with you. This app, I actually searched it myself, and I was like, hey, what app would fit best if we want to search for free apps? And I saw this app. It looked a bit interesting, but I was not convinced entirely while looking at the images. It was, what do you say, too good to be true. I said, okay, why not go down and see what was the rating? And it was astonishingly 4.8 with the amount of downloads it had and such positive reviews. I was like, I must install and see what this app is. Now, for somebody who is a freak of nature, who wants to sit at home, does not have barbells, you're thin, but you want to make some muscle, I would say this is the best app. And furthermore, in this video, this is my best app. So I went on ahead and I started recording my details. I said, okay, this is my weight, this is my height, and this is the amount of work I want to do. So it's generated a plan for me. I said, let's see what plan it would generate. And you know what? When I clicked this button, start now, although it gave me an ad which was kind of frustrating, but the second I canceled the app, this is what I got. A whole workout routine, and I was impressed. So I said, okay, I can even adjust my plan. I did that as well. And then I went on ahead and saw my plan. I was like, wow, this is a nice plan. I can try this. You know something funny? That I clicked on one of the exercises and it showed me how I need to do. And for a free app, this is a complete app. This is something I would advocate for. And this is why this is the best app for last. So so I kept it last. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed this video. The apps I have mentioned here, they're really useful, and I would suggest you go for this app. So if you like the video, go ahead, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well. And if you have any other app, do mention in the comments below. For now, I would say bye bye.